Imagine a weekend getaway, far from the noises of the city. A chance to escape, explore, and to relax. But what's the one thing you need to make your weekend perfect? It's a perfect getaway car. Introducing the Toyota Camry. With its spacious and modern cabin, you'll have plenty of room to stretch out and enjoy the ride. Whether you're headed for the beach, the mountain, or anywhere in between, the Camry has got you covered. Thanks to its advanced suspension and responsive steering, the car hugs to the road and takes a turn with ease, making every turn a joy to take. But it's not just about the ride or how it handles. With standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can access your favorite music or navigational apps right from the car's touchscreen. And with its impressive fuel efficiency, the Camry will take you further than any other in its class, so you can spend more time exploring and less time at the pump. Whether you're headed to a secluded beach, a cozy cabin, or just a long drive, the Camry is sure to make your trip one to remember. Toyota. Where will it take you?